Unlock the secrets of maximizing your gold investments with the best Forex robot. In this video, we will fully analyze the work of the scalper robot. I will demonstrate testing it. However, you yourself can download it right now on our website, install it on your MetaTrader 4 and test it in real time on a real account. Forex is a risky market. And here you need to be very careful. I'm just showing you how the robot works and talking about my personal experience with it. At the moment I have been trading with the robot for 5 months and have made a profit of just over 340%. I don't know what will happen next. But at the moment I like the robot and the results of its trading too. I trade with this robot on XAUUSD.M5. Haven't tested it on other pairs. Only in gold. But that's enough for me.